Hello guys and welcome to another one of our weather videos, but today we will be looking at lots of hurricanes coming in with a big boom of storms. But speaking of storms, hope you enjoy our new LED light. But now, to begin the video, we will be looking at the 7-day tropical weather outlook, and we have a 40 to 60% chance of this forming. And then if we look at the GFS, it'll probably hit Florida with a big bang through the eastern side, and we also will have a tiny hurricane over here. We also have to look at our hurricane GFS model, and as you can see, it'll be a category 5 to 4 as it goes through the Bahamas and most likely hits Florida somewhere along this part of the East Coast, or maybe even just go out to sea. Also, if we look at the hurricane names, you can see that we are running out of names with the end of the hurricane season, with Patty being our hurricane right now. And then our next two hurricanes will be Raffle and Sarah if we get to them. Now, transitioning out of our hurricane talk, we will be looking at the wind stream. And as you can see, we have a cold dart pushing in up here in the west with this heat wave being pushed away through the US. And then going through the night, we get a big cool down from the northern jet stream, only to the heat start fighting back. But mainly, we will have this cold mainly in the west, and this heat pushing from the southern west to the northeast 90% of the time. Now, we will be looking at our 6 to 10-day temperature outlooks, and as you can see, we will be having above average across lots of the east and below average over here in the west. And then if we look at our precipitation, we have lots of precipitation in the central US, but not too much near the coast, except for over here in California. And then looking at the weather radar, we are still at that severe lack of rain across the US. But then, as you can see, with this northern jet stream, we have a few storms pushing in. Then going through the night, we have lots of rain at the front of this jet stream with a bit of snow up here and even over here in New England. And then we just have scattered snow over here in the west and rain. Even in some areas, it will probably be slush, some big storms over here by the Great Lakes, and mainly just a bunch of snow over here in the west and some storms over here by the Great Lakes.